Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to save someone's WhatsApp profile picture without taking a screenshot? I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in 2026. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the contact whose profile picture you want to save. Simply find their name in your chats or contacts list and tap on it to open their profile. Step 2. Once you're viewing their profile, you'll see their profile picture displayed at the top. Look for the profile picture icon and tap directly on it to view the full-size image. Step 3. When the image opens in full screen, look for the download icon or options menu. This is usually represented by a downward arrow or 3 dots in the corner of the screen. Step 4. Tap the download button to save the image directly to your device's photo gallery or files. The image will be saved without using the screenshot function, so it maintains the original quality. Step 5. Once downloaded, you can access the image anytime from your phone's gallery or file manager. The profile picture is now saved to your device and you can view, share, or edit it whenever you want.